Hi, Namaste. Welcome to my cookery YouTube channel. I'm Suresh Rao from Kochi. Today I am going to show you a new preparation of chutney, that is immunity booster chutney, or else you can call it as a corona chutney also, because in this corona season, that is 2020, this particular chutney will be more useful for our health. Let us see how to prepare the same. Let us see what all ingredients we need to prepare this immunity booster chutney or this corona chutney. The first one is Indian borage leaves, say around 50 grams. Then around 100 grams curry leaves. Then our pudina leaves, that is mint leaves. Then Indian penny wort leaves, that also around 100 grams. Then tulasi, both blue as well as white, that is Rama tulasi and Krishna tulasi, together 150 grams. Then our usual coriander leaves, around 150 to 200 grams. Then 100 grams of honey. Then some 10 grams of betel leaves. Then bilimbi, say around some 6 to 7 pieces. Same way, hog plum, say around 6 numbers. And 3 raw mango. Then around 5 amla, that is gooseberry. Then our coconut, this is copra, so there is no water content in this copra. So that is one of the important part. No water content should be added for this chutney. There should not be any water content. So we are grinding also the same way. Then around 50 grams ginger, around 400 grams green chili, around 100 grams small onion, 3 lemon. It should be squeezed, and only the water content should be taken. That juice content should be taken. Next, coconut oil. This is the only one which is heated up, and finally we use it for garnishing. Then 2 spoons of asafoetida. Then 1 to 2 spoons of black pepper. Then around 1 to 2 teaspoons of gram bhoo. 1 spoon of turmeric powder. And 1 cup of salt, maybe something around 100 to 150 grams. Then tamarind, just a ball, but because for this chutney we need this taste. Then jaggery, that is white jaggery. In this there won't be any salt content. These are the main ingredients for preparing corona chutney. And there is no any hard and fast rule that this much item should be included. Almost in this we have taken from our own vegetable garden. That's why we had collected to this extent. Those who has only just half a portion can go according to that also. Only thing is that the particular item should be immunity boosting item, and it should be tasty also to consume. This particular chutney will very well go along with rice or your dosa or chapati or curd rice. It's so lovely and tasty to have this, and even the children will consume it. They will be very pleasant to take dosa along with this chutney. Now all these items should be grind it in a mixie or a grinder, whichever is possible, and we should not add any water, just raw. And one more thing is that you can see from this, everything is raw, nothing except coconut oil, nothing is heated up. And one more thing is that this particular chutney will last long for another 6 months if you want. And if you are not very sure about it, you can keep it in the fridge. But me myself, we prepare and keep outside only, because no water content is there, so no fungus, nothing will come out. One more thing is that if in your place Giloy or Amrtavalli is available, you can include that too. It's really very good for immunity boosting. And another thing is that I want to tell once again, all these items should be cleaned and dried and then only start the process, because no water content should be there in this. That's why. So let us start grinding the same. Yes. Now my Corona chutney is almost ready. The last piece of grinded, I'm just now adding to this total portion. Yes. One thing to be noted, that the chutney should be very, very fine grinding. Now, I've already added 50 grams of honey. Now the balance I'm adding to it. Now finally, coconut oil garnishing. And I hope that everybody enjoyed by going through this video. So if you really liked it, you should like, comment upon it and share to everybody. So everybody, please try at least once with available ingredients, and then pass on the comments to me. Have a nice day. Thank you.